My name is Debra. I'm 22. I have 2 kids, a 1-year-old Jakari and a 5-month-old Cavell. I was in foster care throughout my teenage years. It was just a roller coaster, up and down, never having any stability, always just one placement to the next. And then being a teenager, you're in a lot of like group homes and mental health placements. Even if that's not exactly what you need, they just have to put you somewhere. January 1st of 2023, I lost Jakari's dad to gun violence. 4 months later, I lost my second son's dad, also to gun violence. So within 4 months, just losing both of them. I had found out I was pregnant 6 days before Cavell's dad passed away. At that point in my life, I was just literally so lost. Just being numb to everything. It's just some days I honestly don't even know how everything just kind of started going downhill.
It's called furniture. We might be able to get you guys some stuff. Yeah.
My name is Leisha Westmoreland, and I work here at FosterAdopt Connect as a Community Connection YouthThrive program specialist. My job is to really connect with youth who have aged out or aging out of the foster care system. So we're looking at 17-year-old to 26-year-old youth, helping to stabilize them as they enter independence. We're looking at employment, looking at helping get stable housing. We're looking at mental and physical health. And so there's a wide range of ways that we help support our youth. So Debra came to us back in December. She was pregnant with her second child. She had just signed a lease for her new apartment in November when we met her. And so she was literally starting her time as an independent youth, if you will, had never had her own place, had never had that space just to herself and her son, and then her upcoming newborn. Debra came in and she was invested and ready. She just needs some support. She needs some guidance on some things she didn't know the resources that are available to her here in our community.
My motivation is definitely Jakari and Cavell. Every morning, waking up and seeing their smiles and knowing I have to keep going, not only for myself, but for them. But to show up for them, I have to show up for myself. They're just everything. It's been a great experience ever since. They've helped me with so many things, literally just every big step I've taken. Since that point, I've literally got a new car, got tags on my new car, got a new house. I guess it has been a complete change, mentally, spiritually, physically, financially. Everything is just finally coming together, but that definitely took a lot of time, a lot of determination. Today we ended up going to the furniture bank called Furnish, and they were able to provide furniture for my whole house. They gave my son a new bed. I got a whole living room set up, even decorations, dishes, literally everything you could need for a house. We ended up getting that today. And it was a crazy, crazy good experience. I don't know, I'm still trying to soak that all in, that I really have a fully furnished house. So thankful, knowing as a single mom, that would have took me years to get all of those things into our house. Pure, I guess, joy, just seeing Jakari especially, he was just sitting there and just smiling, in his little chair. And it's so nice.
Jakari, do you love it?
Just coming into the CCYT program, I had no idea really what I was getting into, I guess, but now just knowing that your caseworker really do care about you. I feel like whenever you're in foster care, if nobody really care for you, I guess sometimes trying to navigate life as in somebody who was in foster care, no matter how long you were in it, that was probably for some sort of crazy reason. So having somebody with a level head who is able to show you what a healthy life can look like and kind of walk you through that is really cool, for sure.
In our CCYT program, all of our employees have been in foster care or have relatable lived experience, because then we can work with these young adults on a peer-to-peer level. They understand that we've been through it ourselves. It means a lot to them. They work a lot closer with us, understanding that we've been there and we know what we're talking about. In 2023, CCYT served 154 youth in the Kansas City metro area. 63 of them received financial education from our specialists. 85% of our clients who needed community support, we connected to resources for things such as employment, education, housing, and even legal issues. 89% of clients who needed physical health services were connected to primary care doctors, emergency healthcare services, or we helped them enroll in Medicaid.
Just knowing, you know what I'm saying, you're worth it, like your story doesn't have to like reflect everything that you've been through. Like it's possible, especially having CCYT, there's so many resources. No matter what you want to do, just sit down and talk to your caseworker. Anything is possible, you just gotta want it.
Every year, the number of referrals we receive for our program is increasing. In order to continue offering guidance, support, and the necessary resources that these young adults need, we could really use your help.